Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, just off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2020 Scout 235 XSF. Starting off with the boat's exterior, this is the standard white hull color, more of a cream color from Scout. We've got a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert that is standard. You can see we have the optional Midnight Edition package equipped on this boat, where we have the hardtop frame, the rocket launchers, the leaning post, and the forward grab rails, all in black powder coating. Coupled with the 300 Mercury Verado motor in black, it really sets this boat off nicely. We've got a full walk across along the swim platform, so I can easily get from one side of the boat to the other. Trim tabs, nicely tucked in beneath the swim platforms. You can see here at the transom I do have a raw water washdown. Swim ladder is to the starboard side. And now let's make our way inside the boat. Here in the cockpit on Scout's 235 XSF, we have a nice stern seat that easily and comfortably seats two people, with a high backrest and a stainless steel grab rail within an arm's reach for safety. When the seat is not in use, it stows away very nicely, nice clean look, and now I have a padded bolster if I'm doing any fishing off the back end. That also gives access to our bilge area. Really nice, clean, finished bilge, very easy to access everything. This is also a very large hatch and very conveniently placed for a boat of this size. On the port side, standard is a bait well that is lit. I have rod holders and cup holders along the transom. You can see we have our fender pros equipped on this boat, so it's a quick disconnect for our fenders. On Mercury's new 300 V8 Verado, we can check and change our oil, engage this lever, and entirely remove this cowling, all with one arm. We have a cockpit door that does lock into place. Telescoping boarding ladder is there to the starboard side. Beneath the gunnels, we have rod holders on both sides and LED rope lighting that fully encompasses the boat, so the boat looks really nice when illuminated at night. Leaning posts again in black powder coating as part of the Midnight package. Rod holders and cup holders. Upgraded Yeti cooler beneath. Rocket launchers along the top, also in black powder coating. And optional as well is the tea bag storage bag. LED lights, both fore and aft. Here at the helm, we have bolsters that work independently of each other, so your driver can lean while your passenger sits. Also included as options on this boat is the cushioned helm pad. Takes some of the fatigue out of driving the boat. We have digital throttle and shift, an upgraded steering wheel at the helm with a adjustable tilt. 9-inch Garmin is standard. 4-inch Mercury vessel view included as well. Trim tabs are standard, and optional are the LED indicators included on this boat. We have the Fusion Bluetooth stereo, and with that we upgraded the JL audio speakers. We have 4 total on this boat. Lockable glove box with charging ports for our devices. All of my switches are right here. Fully enclosed tempered glass windshield. More charging ports, more non-skid for our devices here, and ventilation up above. As we move forward, in our head area, we do have a self-contained porcelain head with its own holding tank. Great area for storage. That's also where batteries and our battery switch are located. Forward, we have a very expansive lounge area. Anyone who's well over 6 feet tall can comfortably sit. Our backrests easily come out of place. We want to open up this space. We have 4 cup holders total, a recessed area on both sides with non-skid for our devices, sunscreen and things of that nature. I've got finished out storage beneath both the seats. Access to my anchor line is beneath this seat. All these cushions snap right out. The anchor is housed forward. You can see 2 JL audio speakers forward as well. And here we have combination cup holder, rod holder mounts. So this boat can accommodate a bow sunshade. Lastly, we've got an abundance of storage beneath the chase lounge. This can be a cooler, a fish box, or just general dry storage. And then everyone's favorite seat, chase lounge with armrests built into the hardtop. Easily can seat a couple of adults or a parent and a child. And that's a look at our 235 XSF from Scout Boats. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out at marinemax.com. Thank you.